Thank you for choosing the ready-to-install prefabricated fibre cement slab, Smart Slab. Prior to setting up your Smart Slab, ensure that you read the printed assembly instructions provided and check that you have all the components before starting. You will need a flat surface for your Smart Slab. Position the battens parallel to each other, approximately 800 mm apart. Then place the slab on top of the battens, ensuring that the base and batten edge are aligned. Once this has been done, position the pre-assembled shed onto the slab. Next, position the anchor brackets along the back wall and side walls of your shed at intervals of approximately 500 mm. Using the anchor screws provided, fix the brackets in place. Apply firm pressure until the anchor screw drills through the floor and grips into the batten. Continue this process until all brackets have been attached to the battens. Once all of the brackets have been fixed to the Smart Slab, use a 10 mm drill bit to drill a hole through the wall sheeting and fix the bracket to the wall sheet. Your Smart Slab construction is now complete.